Here are the types of bandages and dressings. Types of bandages. 1. Gauze bandage. A loose woven fabric used for dressing wounds or applying pressure. 2. Elastic bandage. Stretchy fabric for supporting sprains, strains, or swelling. 3. Adhesive bandage. Pre-made strips with adhesive for minor cuts and scrapes. 4. Cohesive bandage. Self-adhering fabric for securing dressings or supporting injuries. 5. Triangular bandage. A versatile bandage for immobilizing arms, shoulders, or heads. 6. Cravat bandage. A long, narrow bandage for supporting neck or head injuries. 7. Roller bandage. A cylindrical bandage for wrapping limbs or body parts. These are just some of the common types of bandages, and each has its specific use, and the choice depends on the injury or wound type, size, and severity.